So guys, I've started my random vlog again. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Kritin Tamang. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And yes, guys, welcome back to another day in my life. Look at the hen. This is not ours, it's the neighbor's hen, and the day, it's wow, pretty. And as you can see, it was a laundry day. So guys, right now I'm going to get some chicken for the dinner. So yeah, let's see. Keep watching. Our neighbor is full of dogs. I am like a bit scared, but I don't think they bite. You see, this is my Alaska's dog. Excuse me, Misty. Actually, he's a shop owner. Look at him. He knows me. Chalo, God, chalo. How cute he is. We are almost reached the main road. And chalo, let's go. This is the shop. Look at this beautiful view from our Chema's house. The things heading back to home, and this doggy is following me again. Got the kulfi. So yum. Bye, come. Hey, Sinna. Construction. Abhi, Prabhu. Lordy. Guys, I almost fell down. Okay, see you when I get home. Guys, I have got one ice cream for my husband too. Let's see his reaction. Okay, he's with the baby. I got the chocolate one. What's the reaction in on the go? See, ice cream pie. He is husband being husband. He doesn't give any reaction. He always pisses me off. Guys, now I'll meet you all while I'll make dinner. Okay? For now, let me enjoy my kulfi. See you. At him enjoying his ice cream like a child. Mom, deo na. Ek bite. Deo na. Deo na. He doesn't share his food. Look at him. Deo na. Mom khanchu ni mane ek bite. Oh, thank you. The chocolate one. So guys, I forgot the chicken masala and my husband had to go again to the shop, and like yeah, he's kind of pissed with me. What to do? I am me, and look at my son, so obsessed with this thing. Got the masalas. Now it's time to make dinner. Let's go. So guys, let's start making. For dinner I'm making chicken pulao. Actually I'm not expert. Also this is maybe my second or third try making the chicken pulao. So yeah guys, let's Let's see how it turns. First, let's start with cutting the onions. First, I have cleaned the chicken. I have soaked the rice. Yes, that's the step. Then cut your onion, tomatoes, some chilies, chop some garlic, and yeah, ginger. So guys, let's start. खाना त्यसको त्यो सानो छ नि त हाल्ने चाहिँ त्यसो एकै चिकन हालेर अस्ति ओदेको म त्यो chicken pulao is ready and it's like looks okay. I will test it and share with you. Okay guys,
यस्तो थाला केटाको हो